medyo makakarelate ko kayo kasi during the late 70s, like Alves po.
Kay Carton.
Let's start with Big Falcon.
Big Falcon.
Big Falcon.
Bahay niya, no? Bahay ni Bogus 5.
Okay, o hindi po itong bale ng
Wala na.
Bogus 5.
Okay, bomba muna sandali.
Plastic, 1977 yan.
1977. So you can assemble and disassemble. Oh, yes. Okay.
Bakit naman 5? Talagang kayo i-commando din yan kung na mag-4 kill na lang. O yung bonus yun.
Okay. Now, this one is, again, Mekanda Robo again.
Pero parang kaliwa yung quality. Napakit yung electrolytes.
Ayan. Nani, kaya mo ba yung Naika?
Kasi pa naman lang hindi natin.
Yeah, balang lata yan. Okay.
Requirement siya.
Oh, okay. Balang itong old style lang. But does this command the same price?
Yeah.
Manla naman din mo kanya.
Around 50.
50,000.
Basta ako hindi naman